In this session, we build and lay out a proper gaming level for that true game player experience. Buongiorno, and welcome back to another awesome session. Now that we know how to create rooms with props, it is time to make a proper level. All this means is we lay out several rooms and props to provide the game player a unique experience. I have in mind a layout for this level, and I'm going to record my layout process for you now. I'm going to hide the floor for now, so you can see my layout process more clearly. Let's start with some long walls to enclose the entire level. Then let's test out our experience. Oops, I forgot the floor. Let me bring that back. So I'll perform this process intermittently, laying out, then checking, laying out, then checking. I'm going to hide the props for now, just so we can concentrate on the walls. I'm going to speed this part up since it did take a while, but you should see my process play out. Here I decide to extend the walls a bit. Now bringing back the props and just laying them out as I see fit, all the while enjoying the experience. I think we want to get a little artsy here, so a pile of barrels is called for. And there you have it, a proper game level. I hope you enjoyed this session, I know I did, and we'll see you next time. Booyah! I hope you found these videos useful. Want to keep watching videos like these? Hit that subscribe and like button below so I can make you more for free. Booyah!